Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the progress of the ebook and the project that goes along with the ebook as well. So let's provide an update, and to get into it, the focus in the past week to 10 days has been more on the written content of the ebook, making sure that the content is easy to follow and has a natural flow, makes it easy to understand and follow the main, understand the basics and the concepts before getting into a lot of the practical and implementation side of things. And in addition to that, I've incorporated a Hello World example that implements a simple BLE peripheral. And if you start off with a big example and just delve into the firmware where you have a lot of code written, it may be hard to follow. So this was based on early feedback as well. Hello World example would make it very easy to understand just the basics and the simple aspects of the BLE peripheral specifically. And from there on, people can refer back to the Nordic SDK, the documentation, and be able to expand on that easily and follow with the actual book project, the main project that we're implementing. So in addition to that, some of the main aspects of the things that are remaining as far as the project are optimizing the battery usage on the remote control, since we're controlling the firmware there, and we need to make sure that it can run on batteries for as long as possible. The second thing is interpreting the motion of the Thingy 52, which has proven to be a little bit difficult. I'll keep researching that and hopefully get some good answers to my questions on that. And the last thing is making a robust connection. I've seen some disconnections between the devices, mostly on the gate, connecting the phone to the gateway device, and for the gateway device to behave as a peripheral to the phone. Those are kind of the main things that I'm focusing on with the main project. And I wanted to make this very quick. I'm trying hopefully to get you another update by the end of this week as well, as we're getting much closer to the release date in about 2.5 weeks. So if you liked this video, if you found that it was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to get notified of other updates in the future. As well as provide any comments in the comment section below, or contact me through my website. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.